Hi everyone, welcome to a new video on how to win a hackathon. So in this particular video, we will be giving you some insider tips about how you can win your next hackathon. So before going to the video, let's understand what is hackathon. So hackathon is a day long or maybe week long a marathon where all the developers, innovators come into one place and they're building certain projects for the society, or maybe they're solving some problem statement, right? So that means their goal is similar and they're running behind one successful project, right? So the next question come arise in everyone's mind, that is, why hackathon? So in hackathon, you will see lots of things happening. You will see there are lots of problem statement is there. Companies are sponsoring over there. Company is recruiting over there. So in hackathons, there's a one-stop solution for you guys. You can grab a chance to work with a company. You have a decent price pool. You can solve a real-world problem statement. So everything in one place, right? So this is like a hackathon. Okay, so now let's talk about some sort of tips you can use in your next hackathon. So first thing is team building. So your team should be consist of 3 to 4 members, where all the team members should familiar with your vision, right? So in one team there should be one designer, one very good coder, and maybe a good pitcher. So that means your team have to consist of some great minds together, right? So this is the first uh, point. And the second thing is you have a great collaboration and communication with all of your team members. Okay, so let's talk about some insider tips. So pick a sponsor track. So in every hackathon you will see some sponsored track. So try to pick up that sponsored track, right? So because there is a chance to win a good bounty in that particular problem statement, because people don't want to leave their comfort zone. Because let's say I am a web 2 developer, so I wants to stick in the web 2 field. But if I switch into the web 3 and let's say I'm building some good projects on the web 3 track, maybe I can get a good bounty. So people often try this hack to win a hackathon. Utilize mentor. So how you can utilize your mentor? Because in each hackathon there will be some sort of mentor that will surround it, that will guide you, that will they will give you some sort of resources and everything. So try to interact with the mentor, because these people will definitely help you out, or maybe give you some sort of advantage to selected in the top 10 or top 20 category. So try to utilize your mentor and discuss with your mentor so that you can improve your pitch, or maybe improve your projects. And the third thing is pitching. Try to practice pitching beforehand. So in hackathon, if you completely focused on your PPT presentation, might be it will not give you some good result. But try to focus on the use cases. Try to focus on the implementation part. Try to showcase your projects, so that because all the judges or the mentors are mainly interested in the execution part rather than your PPT, right? Now let's talk about some key features in your project. So if you are copied some GitHub repository or something like this, try to add some good USPs on that projects. If your projects does not have any kind of USPs, then your projects will not rank. Okay, so there are lots of problem statement we'll see in hackathon. So let's say there is a two problem statement and you are working on a extraordinary thing. So your projects might not select in the hackathon, because every hackathon having their own rules and regulation. So try to maintain that thing and try to incorporate that problem statement in your projects actually. And the main important thing is there will be lots of projects that will available in the market. You can search it on Google or any kind of search engine. But there should be one or two single USPs should have in your projects, and it will help you to get a great advantage in the final pitching round. So try to make sure to have a single USP in your projects rather than a copied project. And make sure you keep in your mind that in 24-hour or 36-hour hackathon you can't build a full-fledged project. So try to implement small part and rest of the part will be in your future scope. So implement one particular USP in your project rather than going for a multiple features. So this is one kind of suggestions for you. So try to implement all sort of things in your future hackathon, and try to take part in all of your hackathon in your region, or maybe in your national level, or maybe in the online mode. So because in hackathons you will get a great exposure, or might be you will meet your future job over there. So that's it about the video. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for your more such kind of video related to tech content. Thank you.